If you're new to yoga but ready to feel amazing, stick with me. Yoga is an ancient practice that not only strengthens your body, but also calms your mind and nourishes your spirit. Through these 10 asanas or poses, I'll guide you step by step so you can start your yoga journey with confidence and excitement. No matter your flexibility or strength, these poses are designed to help you build a solid foundation and enjoy the countless benefits of yoga. These 10 poses are perfect for beginners and will set you up for success. Each pose has its own purpose and unique benefits, and together they form a balanced sequence that will help you develop strength, flexibility, and balance. Plus, they'll teach you to connect with your breath and find a moment of peace in your everyday life. First, mountain pose, or Tadasana. This pose may seem simple, but it's the foundation for all other standing poses. Tadasana teaches you to align your body correctly and find your center of gravity. This foundational pose helps improve posture and balance. When practicing Tadasana, imagine you are a mountain, strong, stable, and rooted to the earth. Keep your feet together or slightly apart, distribute your weight evenly, and lengthen your spine towards the sky. Simply stand up straight and breathe deeply. Feel how each inhale fills you with energy and each exhale helps you release tension. This connection with your breath is essential in yoga and will help you stay calm and focused in each pose. Next, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. This is one of the most recognizable poses in yoga, and for good reason. A great full body stretch that energizes you from head to toe. In this pose, your hands and feet are on the ground, forming an upside-down V with your body. It's excellent for stretching your spine, hamstrings, and calves, and it also strengthens your arms and shoulders. Now, Warrior 1. Virabhadrasana. 1. This powerful pose makes you feel strong and brave. This powerful pose increases strength and focus. With one foot forward and the other back, bend your front knee and raise your arms towards the sky. Feel the energy flow through your body as you hold this pose. Feel your inner warrior rise. This pose not only strengthens your legs and arms, but also opens your chest and improves lung capacity. Child's pose, Balasana, is a gentle resting pose. It's perfect for taking a break and reconnecting with your breath. Perfect for calming the mind and stretching the back. In Balasana, you kneel and sit on your heels, then lean forward and extend your arms in front of you, or let them rest by your sides. This pose is great for relieving stress and fatigue. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana, opens the chest and strengthens the spine. It's a revitalizing pose that helps you improve back flexibility. Feel that confidence boost as you rise up. Lie on your stomach, place your hands under your shoulders, and as you inhale, lift your chest off the ground. Keep your elbows slightly bent and your shoulders relaxed. Tree pose, Vrikshasana, improves your balance and concentration. It's a pose that connects you with nature and helps you find stability. Rooted like a tree, balance gracefully. Place one foot against the inner thigh or calf of the opposite leg and bring your hands together in prayer position in front of your chest. Find a still point to gaze at and stay calm. Cat-cow pose, Marjaryasana Bitilasana, is fantastic for spine flexibility. This two-pose sequence helps you warm up your spine and improve mobility. Arch and round your back, flowing like a wave. In cat pose, arch your back upwards as you exhale, and in cow pose, dip your back downwards as you inhale. This rhythmic movement is great for releasing tension in the back. Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana, stretches the hamstrings and spine. It's a pose that promotes relaxation and introspection. Breathe into the comfort of this deep stretch. Sit with your legs extended in front of you, lean forward from your hips, and reach for your feet or shins. Don't worry if you can't reach very far. The important thing is to keep your back straight and breathe deeply. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana, strengthens the back and opens the chest. It's a rejuvenating pose that also stretches the neck and spine. Lift your hips and feel the rejuvenation. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet on the floor close to your hips. As you inhale, lift your hips towards the sky and interlace your hands beneath your back. Hold the pose as you breathe deeply. Finally, corpse pose, Savasana. This is the final relaxation pose and is crucial for integrating all the benefits of your yoga practice. Simply lie down, relax, and let go. Lie on your back with your arms and legs extended and your eyes closed. Allow your body to sink into the floor and let go of any remaining tension. This pose helps you calm your mind and rejuvenate your body. The perfect way to end your practice. And there you have it. These 10 asanas are just the beginning of your yoga journey. Over time, you'll discover many more poses and techniques that will enrich your practice. 10 yoga poses for beginners to start your journey. Remember that yoga is a personal journey and every day is an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't get discouraged if some poses are challenging at first. With patience and dedication, you'll improve and feel more comfortable in each pose. See you on the mat. Keep practicing and enjoy every moment on your yoga journey. Namaste.